Well, while we're waiting for the stuff to dry for the rad fix, we thought, you know what, we've been wanting to do this for a while. Let's start ripping some of the back out of this thing. So let's get the tripod set up. We got a couple of pieces out, so you haven't missed a whole lot. Get you set up on the tripod there.
Not rusty.
Now, of course, you do this with the utmost care and sensitivity for the vehicle itself. So we're just cutting the seat belts. And listen to this. Great, isn't it? That didn't do it. The other side, the ratchet, it just went blah, 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 blah.
Well, that was
Anticlimactic.
here. Cut it now.
Hey! We are easily amused.
This is good stuff. I'm gonna hang on to this. Good for stuff.
Good for stuff and things and junk.
Ah. Oh, this shim. Need that.
For what?
I don't know.
Okay.
Metal. There we go. Look. Got these things come out without tools.
Cool.
Oh, besides the hammer. This one needs a tool.
What kind of tool?
Bolt. A wrench, maybe a 9/16 or so. Bigger.
Well, I get you 3/4, 5/8.
Yeah, I'll try. Oh my god.
First one, huh?
I hope we got the right side.
Oh, there's the corner marker. Or what? That's the passenger side. That's a wall hanging right there.
Oh, shit.
Of course, you don't have a nail that'll fit, so you see, you need that for when you're mowing the grass, so you don't hit that.
Right. Hi-ho, YouTube.
Yeah. Today's video is brought to you by the letter E. Or the number 3, depending on how you see it. Scrap metals.
Got tools over there.
Remember, leather seats, they demand the utmost care.
You.
gotten?
Empty it out.
Right. Scrap metals. And scrap plastics.
Reach back here. Yeah, nice.
So fast.
Gear indicator.
Probably pushing the plastic. We don't need it. More wall hanging.
Don't break them. Oh, here's a module. Probably a body control module there. That might be semi-important, but that's probably reading up the works in here.
I don't know why that one would be going haywire. That's probably the drives one all rig.
Alright, let's get these down by the sunroof console.
Yeah.
Shell casings in here, jeez.
Oh yeah, she's looking slim and trim now. But the feather's gonna stay.
Oh, we got more shell casing. Jeez, why is all the shells hiding? There's so many random ones.
Huh.
What sizes?
What we got here? It's an odd one.
There's a little shell collection in here.
Right.
Holy
You can see
cow.
how nice the great carpet used to be and what it looks like now.
40, 45, weird. 17 HMR. 45. There's another one that's damaged down there. Ooh, that was a bad one. That one probably took his eye out. Jeez.
Wow.
That's not good when that happens in your gun.
Interesting.
Size is 9. Ouch. There's a nail. There's some more shells in there. Oh, there's another blown up one. That's. Let me not to use that brand.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another weird long one. I don't know what the heck that size is. Alright, so. I'm gonna figure out how to cut this carpet around the seat a little bit.
I got a Sawzall.
Might work.
So I didn't grab a knife. That one that's in the kit's bed.
Let's run the Sawzall through all this loose stuff.
Okay. Well, let's get the camera set back up there.
Get it out in the car.
Yeah. We'll cut wires.
Yeah. Insulation's gonna suck. Oh, insulation doesn't work good in Sawzall.
A 1977 Denver.
Whoa.
Yeah. This thing's gonna be really loud inside now.
I know.
I should be able to get this side. I don't know. We got moved it right up there.
Oh, we attached in the corner.
They glued them down.
Clip.
Yep. Oh.
There you go. I heard it. I heard money. Look at these old things. Oh, there's a dime. Nice.
quarter.
It's not 74. How's that? That almost looks like silver.
It's a black penny.
Alright.
Black pennies matter.
Money! I'm just throwing all the little stuff in there.
That looks good.
I think that was on the center console.
Oh, okay.
Still. Nail!
Nail call.
Are they rusting out?
Yep.
Let's probably attach all the firewall.
Yeah.
We'll take that out though.
Diaper?
Don't need that.
It's heavy. Jeez.
Now, I can figure out how to get this side out. Oh, we still got all the plastic over here.
Yeah.
We should probably call this quits.
We got a couple more minutes.
Alright.
That's your Kevin.
We're taking random things apart.
Okay.
Just want to see what these bolts do.
I was wondering that same thing.
What do these do?
Oh, there's your pretty cat. She's up at the house watching us. I'm waving at her. Hey, she's waving back.
Connector wasn't even on. It would have never worked anyways.
Stupid Jeep.
It might have been on at one point, but it was... Somebody broke the clips that retain the connector and whatnot. That looks safe for an accident now.
Oh, yeah.
It's much safer.
Woo! Guess what we're going to do with that? Someday, maybe.
Disconnect the SDM over here.
The what?
The sensing diagnostic module.
The what?
The airbag go boom module.
Oh! We're lucky the airbag go boom module. Yeah, I remember this. Whoa, don't do that, people. Come on, stay up there.
Alright, now let's disconnect it.
You want to take it out or get rid of it?
Might as well.
Save weight.
Good scrap metal.
Yep.
Got some aluminums on it.
Aluminiums? What do you need?
Looks like a 10 to 12 somewhere in there.
One wet socket.
With the quarter drive or regular?
That's regular. Not even close. Now it's quarter drive. And that doesn't fit either.
What size is that?
This is a 10. Nope, that's a 3/8. The 3/8 was in the 10.
Might be out of order in there.
And the 10 was in the 3/8.
So utilitarian. It's back to Jeep's roots.
There we go. Kind of cool.
Yeah. And it echoes.
What?
Echo.
What?
Echo.
It'd be more impressive if the doors were still on. Then the radiator didn't leak. Yeah, I have to look at the weather. Maybe before work, in the next week or so, I'll run out to the Yunk Yard.
Yeah. This thing's gonna be so light, it's gonna float in air. Oh, got a bracket I can take off now.
Woohoo! Oh yeah. Here's your Chrysler part number P56007323 Alpha Echo.
Any extensions in that kit?
Nope. I already looked. Had a real exciting video.
Yeah.
All the loyal fans are gonna be like, "Whoa, this is awesome!"
You can see the mechanisms of the shifter.
Yeah. And the rust on it?
Yeah. It's acting like there's a nut on the back side. I'm not crawling under this.
I don't blame you one bit. Well, that's a good flat spot though to put your soda when you're running around.
Yeah.
Could be a little captive nut that's rusted off too. You know, that stuff you're just tossing there. That's good scrap metal.
So I'm tossing it back there. It's all going in that. In that general pocket.
Should be collecting all that change too. That could be gas for this thing.
Yeah.
Try taking it out now. It's got a little tension on it. Rather than break it off and have sharp metal floating around there. Our goal is to get this thing down to weighing about 600 pounds. With a 180 horsepower motor?
Yeah. There we go. It's a stripped out hole, that's all. Oh, under the ground wire. Ready? Scrap metal.
Yay! Alrighty. I'll take you guys off the tripod here and show you what we've ripped out on this venture.
Oh, these levers.
So, there's all the grill work from my oopsie. There's the center console all hooked up and some vent work and the little shifters and the vent for the AC, and come around to the back here and there's the side panels from the back and the rear seat all messed up and torn up. There's carpet and more paneling. All that good stuff. Little bits and pieces. There's the driver's footwell. I need to figure out if I can just clip those or.
I'm afraid to. I don't want the security to go haywire or something.
Yeah.
If anything's working at all.
So.
Fill them up and zip tie them in there somewhere.
It's all bare metal now. Oh yeah. Turning her back into a T-Rock. Oh no, we got a cracked tail light. Oh. Woohoo!
It's already puddling water back there.
I know, from the dents. There's our scrap metal bin. Our new one.
Then it works.
Yep. Beautiful, isn't it? Airbag's out. Hopefully it still runs. Probably just turn the key and see just to make sure.
Yeah, right.
With all the other problems this thing's got. And not necessarily from us. And now the airbag will go off.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that, she runs great. Hey, the wipers work.
Wow. We knocked something loose.
Boy, you really jarred something loose there, Tiger.
The gauge is working too, though? Yeah. See, once the gauges start working, everything starts working.
Okay.
It's all tied into something.
The airbags.
Yeah.
Well, it could be like Ford, you know, where one of your brake lights would go out and your radio wouldn't work, your interior lights don't work. Then you have to figure out which one is wrong. Cool. So the next thing to fix will be this. Like I said, we're just gonna go up to a junkyard, grab a radiator. Let's go look at yours now that it's raining.
What do we got?
Got a tape measure with you just to make sure width and all that?
Nope. See, I'm pretty sure this looks all the same. I'm pretty sure it holds down through these.
Of course, we can even start disassembling too while I'm out here.
It actually does look, now that I look at it, it's probably the same as the old style.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Go take a look, because all this looks identical.
Yeah, let's go walk over to yours and check it out. Alrighty, here we are over at another Jeep. Mine looks better.
Mine's taller.
Mine still looks better. Okay, you have to open doors to get into yours.
Mine has a front end.
So does mine. Just without all the fancy gigas and babbles and whatnot. You know, headlights, turn signals. Oh yeah.
It's got like these 3
Yeah.
bolts, which I'm missing a bolt. Missing a bolt. Look at that.
You need one? I'll sell it to you. Okay, so it looks pretty much the same.
Yeah, I think it'll work.
We can start tearing mine apart.
One thing you might run into is tranny cooler lines. I guess if you grab one that doesn't have the tranny cooler, we don't really need a tranny cooler.
No.
We just loop it. So yeah, it should be fine.
Just that little, that's a condenser in front of mine, isn't it?
Yeah, that you see.
So we can take that out and get rid of that when we do the swap.
Yeah.
Save even more weight, more scrap metal.
Well, it is kind of nice because it is scrap metal.
Yeah.
As I say, it kind of protects the radiator from sticks going through and stuff.
Yeah, but if we put a stick through it, we'll just go to the junkyard and buy another one.
Oh, jeez.
Maybe I should grab 2.
Yeah. I got the big fancy aluminum radiator on here. Cut that out to make it fit.
Yeah. Okay, let's go start tearing mine apart.
Go ahead.
Chop chop.